Welcome to the hands-on review video of HP Pavilion x360. What you get in this package? Well, you get a lot. Starting with 10th generation of Intel Core i5-1035G1 mobile processor, which is working on 1.0 GHz with max turbo speed of 3.6 GHz, which is quad-core, high-efficiency power to go, and Intel Turbo Boost technology delivers dynamic extra power when you need it. Beautiful 14-inch Full HD multi-touch screen with 1920 by 1080p resolution, boosts impressive color and clarity with IPS technology for wide viewing angles. We got as well 8GB DDR4 memory, which works on 3200 MHz for the full power multitasking, and we got a 512GB PCI SSD M2 for storage. Of course, you get a wireless LAN, Bluetooth, one USB 3.1 Type-C connector, two USB 3.1 Type-A connector, one HDMI 1.4 edition, and one headphone microphone combo. And this version of laptops come with Windows 10 Home 64-bit. With 4-core i5 hyper-threading, 8GB of RAM, and with a really fast SSD, this computer has quite snappy performance. You can easily multitask, have multiple web pages open, and can run many older games. Even though probably advisable is to use a laptop cooler if you are planning to play games a lot. Keyboard feel is really good, and you get with this keyboard you get a backlight, which is a pretty great addition. You can switch between two levels of brightness, and you can turn it off if you don't like it. Trackpad as well works perfectly and is really solid quality. Sound from the speakers are pretty good for this size of laptop. Sound through the headphone port is excellent. Overall, HP Pavilion x360 is a great laptop for those users who want hybrid laptop with tablet function. For the price, please check in the links in the video description. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs like, and comment if you are planning to buy this or some other laptop.